Okay, today I have a quick contract drafting tip for you when you're preparing your own contracts or SOWs. So let's take a look at a super simple example. Agency will provide three comps for review by client. Now, maybe you can already see what we're going to talk about. It's the use of words and digits to express a number. In this example, we're talking about numbers of comps, but you could obviously see this with dollars or days or revisions. But I'm going to let you in on a little secret. It is absolutely not necessary to write your numbers this way. In fact, it can create a lot of problems. So let me explain. First, doing numbers this way just creates more work for you. If a provision with numbers needs to be edited, now you have two things to edit instead of one. And while we're talking about edits, you can see the obvious problem coming. Maybe the words get edited, but the digits do not. Or maybe the digits get edited, or the words do not. Second, it's prone to mistakes. I can't tell you the number of times I've seen contracts where the words and digits don't match. Let's take my example again. So is the agency supposed to deliver 3 comps or 5? Now you have an ambiguity in your contract. So while there's rules in litigation, if you went to court to solve this type of problem, you don't want to be in litigation, right? You want to solve it without going to litigation. So let's just keep it simple. Third, I think lay people do this because they want their contracts to seem more lawyerly or official in some way. And I mean, maybe it's true. I mean, it certainly is formal, but what's the point of that? Like, our goal with your contracts, with your contractors or your clients, is to make the contracts understandable and hopefully no more complicated than they need to be so they can be negotiated and executed quickly. So when you have things like this, it just makes you look needlessly fancy, like you're trying to look like a lawyer, and who wants to look like a lawyer anyway? I mean, unless you're role playing a position to be on a TV show like LA Law or something, then
No.
nobody knows what LA Law is?
No.
So unless you're method acting and you want to be applying for a role to be on a TV show like Ally McBeal.
No.
You're kidding. Ally McBeal, Callista Flockhart, Dancing Baby, unisex bathroom? No? Anyway, so keep your contract simple. I think the rule in most English writing is to use words for the numbers 1 through 10 and to use digits for the numbers 11 and above. If that's a consistent rule that you can apply, great. If you'd like to always use numbers, that's fine. If you'd like to always use words, that's fine too. Just be consistent and just keep it simple. TV show like Perry Mason? No? TV show like Matlock?
Nobody knows what that is.
No, come on. Trying to be on a TV show like Night Court,
No.
then to be a lawyer on a TV show like The Practice,
Stop. No.
be a lawyer on a show like Boston Legal,
No.
then trying to be like a lawyer on a show like Suits.
What?
Yeah, like that one, Suits?